Today we're going to be diving into the world of multilinguals and website translation. We are going to be looking at a free plugin we can integrate with our website to help translate our site in just a click. Before we forge ahead, I would love to mention this video is brought to you by Conveythis, where the developers of this plugin and software reached out to me to share my thoughts on their product and service with you guys. So be sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below on what you think about this plugin, and I'll be sure to leave you with a satisfactory response. So with that being said, let's just jump into our desktop and see how this works. So guys, coming to our WordPress dashboard, the next thing we have to do is to come down to plugins and click on add new, which is going to take us to the WordPress plugins directory, and we have to search for Conveythis, and that should bring it right up here. So you can see this Conveythis Translate Multilingual plugin, which has over 800 plus active installs and 68 reviews. Click on install now, and then we are going to activate this. If we activate it, this is going to take us to our installed plugins, which is on our website, and you can see right here it says this plugin is installed but not yet configured. So you need to configure this plugin by either using this configuration page, or we can come down to settings. So we're going to click on this, which is going to take us to the configuration page, and you can still see it right here saying this plugin is installed but not yet configured. So basically all we just have to do is to get our API key, which we have to paste in here for us to be able to connect our website with the translator plugin, which is also a third-party website, which is very good because it doesn't weigh on your site, and majority of the work is done outside the site, so that doesn't weigh down on your page load speed. So the next thing we have to do is to get the API key, and basically you just have to click on configure this, and this is going to take you to the registration page. For your own convenience, and let's just do that real quick. I'm going to be using another account name and password. So after that has been done, you would come all the way down here, and they are going to ask you, how did you hear about us? So basically you're hearing about this on YouTube. So I would click on agree to this Conveythis terms and click on register now. So this is going to take us to this page where we get to see our email. So it's going to say an email has been sent to your address. Please check your inbox and follow the link inside to confirm your email address. If you don't see this email, you can actually check the spam folder, or you can simply contact them and they are going to work it out for you. So coming down to our email, you can see that it says please confirm your email. So it's going to bring it to this, but the next thing you have to do is to click on activate your account, or you can simply click on this link. The next page is going to take us to is the pricing page, where you get to pick out the particular plan that you want to use for your website. So you can see the free forever, the business plan, the pro plus plan, and the enterprise plan. And if we come all the way down, we can actually click on either one of these, and for the business plan it translates 5 languages. For the pro plan it translates unlimited languages. So we're going to be selecting the free forever plan, which you can start out with, and then you can upgrade your plan in order to get more benefits from this plugin. So after that has been selected, we're going to click on select plan, and this is going to take us to a different page where it says your subscription plan, and we are going to click on the dashboard. So once we click on that, it's going to take us to our Conveythis dashboard, as you can see right here, and this is what we came here for. So you can see the API key right here, and we just need to copy this and come down to our dashboard and paste this in here. But like I already mentioned before, I already have an account which I already used to set this up before now. So I'm going to sign out, and I am going to log in with that account. So this is going to take us to our dashboard, which we just saw, and basically we came here for the API key, so we'll copy that and we're going to paste this in here. So once we click on save changes, you would see a preview right here where you can get to pick out the source language, which is the current language your website is currently running on, which is English. and the target language that you want to target. For the sake of this illustration, I'm going to be picking out French. So once I click on that, we can get to see a preview of the English and French. So once you click on Save Changes, like I already mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is going to translate our website in just a click. So once I come down here, you can see that the plugin has successfully been integrated with the Conveythis software and our website via the plugin. So once we click on this and pick out French, automatically this is going to translate every single word on your website in just a click. So coming down here, we see we still have more options to work with. So if we come down here, the very first option here is automatic language redirection. So what this means is that it's definitely going to redirect visitors to translated pages automatically based on their user browser setting. So this is a good option right here. The next option we have here is the hide Conveythis logo. So if we click on this preview, we're going to see that this says powered by Conveythis. So we can either choose not to or display this in front of our website. So the next option right here is the translate media adopt images for specific languages. So what this allows you to do is to automatically provide replacement images for content in different languages and translate the meta texts of these images. So I think that is a good option right there. And the next option here is the SEO RF langs tags. And if you have multiple versions of your page for different languages, which we do, with this box checked, you get to tell Google about these different variations, and by doing so, helps Google search point users to the most appropriate version of your page by language or region. So that is a good option right here, which is definitely going to improve your SEO. And we have the customized languages. So we just have a whole lot of options to work with, which you can definitely explore. So the next option here is the picture, where you can get to display the different styles for these flags right here. So if we click on the square flag, this is going to change this to the square. If we choose circle flag, this is going to change this, and we're going to pick the rectangle flag for the sake of this illustration. So the next option right here is the text, and we can choose to display the text name of the language on short text, full text, or without the text. So we're going to leave that as full text, and we can change the position of this flag based on what we want. So if we have this fixed in a certain position of a screen, you can actually pick the position vertically and horizontally. So if we want this to display at the top left, if we click on Save Changes and come down to our website, we can see automatically this is definitely going to change its position. So that is going to display right here. And the next thing I would like to point out is coming down to our translations, where we can visually edit this. So I think this is my personal favorite, where we can visually edit the translated words on our website. So seeing this now being translated to French, we can simply come down here, and in this case, if we are fluent at a particular language and we see that there is an omission right here, or there is a mistake right here, we can simply make adjustment to that. So if I click on that and remove that, automatically that's definitely going to remove these two alphabets right here. So that is a very good option, which I think these guys did a good job with. So coming down here, the next thing that I would really like for these developers to make alteration to is this personalization right here. So you can see that I have this high picture needle, and if I click on Conveythis, going back to the front page, I am not going to be seeing any personalization here, and it's almost as if I am still logged out of the website, but actually I am logged in right now. So if I click on the login, I am going to be seeing this personalization here, which I think should still be here in the front page after I am already logged into the website. So that is my honest review about this product. Tell me what you think about this product down in the comment section below. And like I already said, I'm going to leave you with a satisfactory response. So that is all for this video. I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, be sure to hit the like button as well as subscribe to this channel, so whenever I publish a new content, you'll be the first to get notified. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video, and take care.